Letter for Father's Day tutorial.
Hi everyone! In this video we'll show you how to make a special letter for Father's Day step by step with my companions, Carolina, Andrea,
Luz.
and her servant. Let's start.
Materials.
The materials we use are as following: size, pencil, marker, rules, urls, pencil, glue, liquid glue, cardboard, paper for Larry's, foamy.
Steps to make your letter.
Step 1. We cut a white card to 24 by 18 centimeters and we mark at 6 centimeters and 18 centimeters.
Step 2. Once marked, we fold along the dotted line and fold the upper corners out a little. This will be the shirt.
Step 3. We cut two rectangles of 6 by 18 centimeters in the parent paper that we want. This will make the sweat jacket. Before gluing the two rectangles, we cut as follows.
Step 4. We paste part A on the moving parts of the card. Part B is glued, be matching the cuts to form the color of the jacket. As a detail, I have added a bottom to the jacket in color blue and brown.
Step 5. For the inside, cut a rectangle measuring 12 by 18 centimeters of deep blue color and glue into the card. We cut the colors of the shirt.
Step 6. For the logo, I have looked for animation of internet and I have cut in the portrait. In case you do not have a cutting plotter, you can print the image and pass it or make it on cardboard using an image as mold.
Step 7. Cut out letters from foamy.
8. And the last stage, as the letters and I will be done.
The end.